Okay, so here's a short one for you. So saddlebag fastens on here. I've got, you can see that ripped out there. That one's not too bad, just the hole. And then this one's kind of stretching the plastic there. This back of the saddlebag is just plastic. So what I'm going to do is on the inside, I'm going to put these bigger washers there, and then when the saddlebag sits up here on the bike, it's close to this one, so I'm going to drill a hole for this, take this nut off, and put another big washer there and hold the saddlebag from up here. I think that was part of the problem, is only being held down here, and all the weight, they're just pulling out. This one over here is not close enough to the saddlebag. It's like over here somewhere when it's up there. So this one doesn't work that way. So I'll show you over here. See, not close enough yet, but I went ahead and did that on this back one here. That's why it's so close. Still got room to get in there, get this flap open the whole saddlebag and everything, but nice and secure, nice and tucked in there. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do to fix the saddlebag problem that I had. Yeah, I got back from a ride, and this saddlebag was just kind of sitting like that, barely hanging on with the two bolts. The one had pulled out already, so the two bolts were just kind of hanging on, and it was just hanging over like this. So, but yeah, just a little quick video and show you what I'm doing with it.